ओम गंगणपतये नमः। ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। Now we want to dilate upon the importance of the Shatarudriya. We celebrate the day and the night in honor of the great God whose majesty and glory is described in ecstasy, especially in the Rudra Adhyaya or the Shatarudriya of the Veda. Every Shiva temple has this daily program of worship and Abhisheka to the great Lord Shiva with the recitation of the famous Veda mantras known as Shatarudriya, also known as Rudra Adhyaya, which occurs in the Yajurveda. It may well be said that these wondrous Vedic hymns known as the Shatarudriya are a sort of magnum opus of spiritual ecstasy, an insight into whose significance and meaning should make one's hair stand on end. It's difficult to fathom the depth of the revelation and the feeling of the sage or the rishi to whom these visions were bequeathed by the Almighty. We have very few passages, prayers, hymns or stotras in religious literature comparable with this mighty Shatarudriya, wherein everything that we can conceive of in respect of God humanly is portrayed in the language of spiritual intuition. Often it would appear that man is not supposed to understand its meaning on account of the comprehensiveness of its approach and the profundity of the revelation that is contained therein. No one can recite these Shatarudriya mantras without having one's sins cleansed at once from their very roots. If only one would have the leisure and the patience to go into the internal connections and the suggestiveness that is implied in these mantras. It's not a prayer to one god or to any particular god. Shatarudriya, the name of the hymn, has several meanings. Prayer to the 100,000 Rudras or to the Rudra appearing in 100,000 forms, who is Shiva at the same time. Rudrayate dakshinam mukham tena mam pahi nityam is an oft quoted prayer. The power of God is also the terror of the human individual, while at the same time it is the most beneficent blessing that can ever be anywhere. Hence, it is that the great Lord is often designated as Rudra Shiva, who has perpetually blended within his being the aspects of creation, sustenance and transformation of all things. Atha Shatarudriyam. Om Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaham. Namaste Astu Dhanvanim Bahubhyam Utate Namaham. Prostration to thee, Rudra, prostration to thy wrath and thy arrow. Prostration to thy bow, prostration to thy mighty arms. The Rudra chapter of the Yajurveda consist of the mantras by which oblations are offered in the sacrifice of knowledge, wherein the manifold universe is visualized as the extensive manifestation of the Supreme Being. Yata ishuhu shivatama shivam babhuvate dhanuhum shiva saravya yatavata yano rudramrudaya. This thy arrow that has become exceedingly peaceful to the devout, thy bow become a source of auspiciousness, and thy quiver of blessedness. With these, O valiant one Rudra, make us happy. While the first mantra invokes the terrible power for destruction of evil, the second envisages the fulfillment of the alms and the establishment of peace and the now benignant phase of what was once formidable. Yate Rudra Sivatanu Raghora Papakasini Taya Nastanu Asantamaya Girishanta Vichakasi. Rudra, that blessed and benign form of thine, which obliterates the trace of all sins, with that most hallowed and calm phase of thy being, reveal thyself to us, O radiator of peace, from the mount of Kailas. Rudra or Shiva is said to have two forms, the terrific and the beatific, which are manifested at different times. Yami sungiri chanta haste vivasyastavem shivangiri tratam kuruma ingungsi purusham jagatum. O benefactor from the mount of Kailas, that arrow which thou wieldest for aiming at enemies, make that benign in respect of us, harm not human beings or others in creation. O protector on the sacred mount. Shivena bata sattva girisatcha vadamasi yatha nah sarvamid jagadayakmagum shumana asat. Resident of the mountains, we pray to thee with auspicious eulogies for the sake of attaining thee. Do so deign that this whole world of ours is rid of all ailment and affliction and blooms with a joyous mind. Adhyavo tadadhivakta prathamo daivyo visakum ahigum sa sarvam jambhayam sarvascha yatu dhanyaham. May that divine physician, first among gods, exalt me in his all-redeeming transcendent being, having cut off all evil, whether in the form of poisonous creatures and wild beasts or the demonical natures in creation. Aso yattamro aruna utababhru sumangalaham ye che magum rudra avito dikhyusrita sahasrasho vaishagum hedai mahim. This Rudra in the form of sun, rudi, pink, brownish and yellow, and of variegated hues in different stages of rising from the horizon, most auspicious, being dispeller of darkness, manifested in the bright rays enveloping the earth from all directions, ranging in tens and thousands. We mitigate the penetrating ferocity of these with our prostrations. असौ यो वसत्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नो दहार्यः उतैनं विश्वाभूतानि सादृष्टो मृडयाति नः. This blue naked, due to drinking poison, red complexioned one who traverses through the sky in the form of the sun, him do see with their eyes the unlettered cowherds as well as the maids carrying water. Him do all see, all beings both high and low. May he, that is Rudra, make us happy. The import of this mantra is that while the Lord is seated in such regions as Mount Kailas is accessible only to those who have spiritual realization, as the sun he is visible to everyone. In his great compassion he makes himself felt even by our outer senses. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Meedhusim Atho ye asya satvanoham tebhyo karannamaham. Salutation to Nilagriva, that is with blue neck, who has 1,000 eyes as Indra and who pours down as rain or Parjanya. Salutation be from me to others too, who attend upon him as his servants. Pramuncha dhanmanastvamuvayoratniyorjam yascha te hasta isavah parata bhagavo bapa. Lord, unfold the string at both ends of thy bow. These arrows that are in thy hand, set them aside now, after the enemy has been destroyed. The term Lord is the equivalent of the Sanskrit original Bhagavan, which means one who is possessed of all wealth, valor, fame, prosperity, wisdom, and non-attachment to things. Avatatya dhanustvagum sahasrakya sate sudhim nishirya salyanam mukha shivona sumana bhava. O thousand-eyed divinity, thou that hast hundreds of quivers in war, setting down thy bow and dismantling the ends of thy piercing arrows, after thy purpose has been fulfilled, become thou auspiciousness unto us with a charming mood of blushing. Bijyam dhanuh kapaddino vishalyo banabagum utam anesannasyesav abhurasya nisangati. May the bow of Kapardin, that is Shiva, be freed from its string, and may his quiver be without the piercing ends of the arrows held above. May his arrows become incapable of piercing through, and may his bow become merely a support for the arrows and not to shoot them. This mantra and the others which pray for the putting down of the weapon of Rudra are invocations of his peaceful aspect, which manifests itself when he is not engaged in the work of destruction with his fierce arms. Yate hetir midhustamahaste babhuvate dhanum tayasman visataspamajat maya paribhujam. O abundant source of all fulfillments, protect us thou from all sides with weapons like the sword and the bow in thy hands that have ceased from purposes of destruction. Namaste astvayudhaya natataya dritsnavim ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyam tavadhanmani. Salutations be to thy weapon, arrow that has not been extended on the bow, but is capable of striking the enemy. Salutations to thy bow and salutation to thy two arms. Parite dhanmano hetir asman brunaktu vishvatah athoya isudhistavare asman nidhehitam. Lord, may the pointed arrows of thy bow exclude us in every way from their destructive operations, and that quiver of thine, may thou keep it far away from us and protect us. According to another interpretation, the second line can be rendered thus: and that quiver of thine, may thou direct it to our enemies. Om Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Triambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Neelakanthaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Shankaraya Sadasivaya Sriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Prostration to thee, O Lord, ruler of the universe, great God, three-eyed one, destroyer of the Tripuras, death to the destructive fire of the three worlds at the time, the terror to even to the terrible fire of time, blue-naked one, overcomer of mortality, overlord over everyone, bestower of blessedness, ever auspicious, the blessed great God, to thee prostration. Namo Hiranyavahave Senane Disam Chapataye Namo Namo Brikkhebhyo Harikeshebhya Pashunam Pataye Namo Namah Saspinjaraya Tvisimate Pathinam Pataye Namah. Prostration to the golden armed one, the supreme commander of all forces, the Lord of all quarters. Prostration to the vital essence and source of the green leaf trees, the master of all created beings. Prostration to the self-effulgent one, the Lord of the different roots which souls take on departure from this world. In the first section, the Rudra Adhyaya delineated the power of Rudra in his form as the wielder of the bow and the arrows. In the subsequent sections, his glories as revealed in all creation, as manifest in every quarter and cranny, are described. These hymns abound in a varied adoration of the Supreme Being in all things, and every word of prostration is repeated twice as prostration on both sides and prostrations in the beginning and in the end, which is avoided in the translation. Namo Bablusaya Bibyadhine Nanam Pataye Namo Namo Harikeshayo Pavitine Pushtanam Pataye Namo Namo Bhavasya Hetye Jagatam Pataye Namah. Prostrations to the rider of the bull, the chastiser of the opposing force, the lord of food or ruler over matter. Prostrations to the one with blue hair on the head, not turned grey, the wearer of the sacred thread indicating auspiciousness, the master of those who are full with the qualities of perfection. prostrations to the showerer of samsara, the sovereign over all creation. Namo Rudraya Tatayine Khetranam Pataye Namo Namah Sutaya Hantyaya Bananam Pataye Namo Namah Rohitaya Stapataye Vrikshanam Pataye Namah. Prostration to Rudra, who protects us with his outstretched bow, the ruler of all fields, temples, bodies, and all creation. Prostrations to the charioteer, director of all things, the invincible one, the lord of all forests. Prostrations to the crimson-hued one, who, existing even in trees, is the supreme protector of all. Namo Mantrine Banijaya Kakshanam Pataye Namo Namo Bhuvantaye Varivaskrutayo Sadhinam Pataye Namo Nama Uchchir Ghoshaya Krandayate Patinam Pataye Namo Nama Krishna Vidaya Dhavatte Sattvanam Pataye Namah. Prostrations to the one who manifests himself as the minister in a royal court, as the merchant in business, and as the ruler over all the planned kingdom. Prostrations to the creator of the world, the master of all wealth, the lord over medicines. Prostrations to him who thunders in battle and makes the enemy shriek in fear, and is the commander of all forces. Prostrations to the all-enveloping one, the past in action, the refuge of the self-surrendering devotees. Namah Sahamanaya Nivyadhina Avyadhini Nam Pataye Namo Namah Kagubhaya Nisangine Stena Nam Pataye Namah. Prostrations to the valiant confronter of foes, the terrific uprooter of the opposing forces, the protector of the powers of dharma, pressing from all sides. Prostrations to the Lord seated on the hump of the bull, armed with the sword, the chief of even thieves, or stealer of everyone's heart. The appellation chief of thieves is to indicate the supreme immanence and the non-exclusiveness of the divine being. Namo Nisangina Isudhimate Taskaranam Pataye Namo Namo Vanchate Parivanchate Stayunam Pataye Namo Namo Nicherave Paricharayarandyanam Pataye Namah. Prostrations to the chief of the robbers, to him who is armed with the quiver and arrows. Prostrations to the deceiving, the tricky and elusive lord of marauders. Prostrations to the ever cunning leader of the thieves, lurking at home and those wandering in the streets and the forest. The Lord is adored as the chief of thieves, etc. in two senses. Firstly, he is the indwelling presence of even the thieves, and their lives are impossible without his existence in them as their essence. Secondly, he is also the Jiva, who is the thief, apart from his being Ishvara, ranging beyond the realm of the former. Also the Lord it is that sports as the high and low, the good and the bad, the virtuous and the debased, when looked at from the standpoint of the universe, taken as a whole, a view which is hard to the jiva, sunk in the personalistic cognizance and perceptions, but the right vision of those who are absorbed in reality. ethical concepts as stand transfigured in the absolute. These mantras of the Veda are to help the seeker in recognizing God through the medium of all creation. Namah Srukayebhyo Jighagung Sadbhyo Mushnatam Pataye Namo Namo Asimadbhyo Naktam Charadbhyah Prakrantanam Pataye Namo Nama Ushnishini Giricharaya Kulanchanam Pataye Namah. Prostration to the chief of all self-protecting animals and of the retaliating thieves, ever ready to strike people to death. Prostrations to the chief of dacoits, armed with swords and prowling in the night for booty. Prostrations to the roving chief with helmet and turban, wandering through the mountains, who steals away people's belongings in houses and fields. Nama Ishumadbhyo Dhanma Ibhyasavo Namo Namo Atanmanevya Pratidadhanebhyasavo Namo Namo Ayatsadbhyo Visrujadbhyasavo Namo Namo Asyadbhyo Vidhyadbhyasavo Namo Namah. Prostrations to him who is the forms of those that move about holding bows and using arrows. Prostrations to him who is in those that string their bows and discharge the arrows. Prostrations to him who is in those that stretch the bows and send arrows again. Prostrations to him who is in those that shoot the arrows and make them hit the targets. Nama Ishubadbhyo Dhanna Ibhyasavo Namo Nama Atanmanevya Pratidadhanebhyasavo Namo Nama Ayatsadbhyo Visrujadbhyasavo Namo Namo Asyadbhyo Vidhyadbhyasavo Namah. Prostrations to him who is in the forms of those that move about holding bows and using arrows. Prostrations to him who is in those that string their bows and discharge the arrows. Prostrations to him who is in those that stretch the bows and send arrows again. Prostrations to him who is in those that shoot the arrows and make them hit the targets. The great commentator Sayana makes a suggestive hint that the forms are all Rudras, which implies the startling truth that the contents of the world are all God Himself, not that He is merely present in them. Nama Asinebhyas Sayanebhyasavo Namo Namah Svapadbhyo Jagradbhyasavo Namo Namastistadbhyo Dhavadbhyasavo Namo Namah Sabhabhyah Sabhavatibhyasavo Namo Namo Asvebhyo Asvapatibhyasavo Namah. Prostrations to Thee who art the sitting and the reclining. Prostrations to Thee who art the sleeping and the waking. Prostrations to Thee who art the standing and the running. Prostrations to Thee who art the assemblies and the assembly chiefs. Prostrations to Thee who art the horses and the horse riders. Nama Avyadhinibhyo Vividhyantibhyasavo Namo Nama Uganavyastrugunhatibhyasavo Namo Namo Gritsebhyo Gritsapatibhyasavo Namo Namo Bratebhyo Bratapatibhyasavo Namah. Prostrations to Thee who art in the form of the Shaktis competent to strike all round in various ways. Prostrations to Thee who art the gentle higher Shaktis as well as the violent lower Shaktis. Prostrations to Thee who are those that run after sense pleasures as also their leaders. Prostrations to Thee who are the host of living and non-living beings as well as their chiefs. The word Shakti doesn't occur in the original but is used in the translation to bring out the significance of feminine gender of the words in the mantra, which indicate the various Shaktis or powers of the Lord. Shayana states that the gentle ones are the Saran Matrikas, etc., while the violent ones are Durga, etc. Namo Ganebhyo Ganapatibhyastavo Namo Namo Virupebhyo Visvarupebhyastavo Namo Namo Mahadbhyah Shullakebhyastavo Namo Namo Ratibhyo Aratebhyastavo Namo Namo Rathebhyo Rathapatibhyastavo Namah. Prostrations to thee, who art in the form of host of celestial attendants and their chiefs. Prostrations to thee, who art the formless and the universal formed. Prostrations to thee, who art the great as well as the small. Prostrations to thee, who are those that ride in the chariots and those that do not. Prostrations to thee, who are the chariots as well as the chariot owners. Namah Senabhya Senanibhyastavo Namo Namah Kshatrubhyah Sangrahitrubhyastavo Namo Namastakhyabhyo Rathakarevhyastavo Namo Namah Kulalebhyah Karmarebhyastavo Namo Namah Punjistebhyo Nishadebhyastavo Namah. Prostrations to thee, who art in the form of armies and army chiefs. Prostrations to thee, who are the trained charioteers and apprentices in chariot driving. Prostrations to thee, who are the carpenters and the chariot makers. Prostrations to thee, who are the potters and blacksmiths. Prostrations to thee, who are the haulers and the fishermen. Nama Ishukridbhyo Dhanmakridbhyastavo Namo Namo Mrugayubhya Shvanibhyastavo Namo Namah Swabhya Swapatibhyastavo Namah. Prostrations to thee, who art in the form of artisans who make arrows and bows. Prostrations to thee, who are the hunters and the huntsmen. Prostrations to thee, who are the hounds and the keepers of hounds. Namo Bhavaya cha Rudraya cha Namah Sarvaya cha Pashupataye cha Namo Neelagrivaya cha Sitikantaya cha Namah Kapadine cha Vyuktakeshaya cha Namah Sahasrakshaya cha Shatadhanmane cha. Prostrations to the Creator and Destroyer of the universe. Prostrations to the Remover of sins and the Protector of all beings. Prostrations to the Blue-Naked One and the Fair-Naked One. Prostrations to the Matted-Locked One and the Clean-Shaven One. Prostrations to the Thousand-Eyed One and who yields multiple bows. In the form of an austere mendicant, Shiva is Matted-Locked. As a sannyasin, he is clean-shaven. As Indra, he is thousand-eyed. In his multiform manifestation, he holds numberless bows. Namo Girishaya cha Sipibhishtaya cha Namo Mishustamaya che Sumate cha Namo Hrasvaya cha Vamanaya cha Namo Brihate cha Vashiyase cha Namo Vriddhaya cha Samvriddhane cha. Prostrations to the resident of the mountains as Shiva and the immanent one in all beings as Vishnu. Prostrations to the one who wields arrows and rains heavily through the clouds. Prostrations to the one who is dwarf in size and small in limbs. Prostrations to the one who is huge in size and multiformed in limbs. Prostrations to the Ancient One who is glorified through eternity. नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नम आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च सीभ्याय च नम ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च दीपाय च. Prostrations to the primeval one and the chief of beings, prostrations to the omnipresent one and the agile among things, prostrations to the one in the quick and the flowing, prostrations to the one in the roaring waves and the still water, prostrations to the one in the swift rivers and the islands. नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुध्नियाय च नमः शोभ्याय च प्रतिशर्याय च. Prostrations to him who is the eldest as well as the youngest, prostrations to him who is the ancient being as well as all that emanates from it, prostrations to him who is the middling creation such as celestials, etc., as well as the infant, prostrations to him who is the last in creation, for example, the animals, birds, etc., as well as the trees and plants with their branches and foliage, prostrations to him who is the mix in character, for example, virtue and vice representing the human beings as well as all that is moving. Namo jamyaya cha khemyaya cha namo urvatyaya cha khalyaya cha namah shlokyaya cha vasanyaya cha. नमो जाम्याय च खेम्याय च नम ऊर्वज्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च. Prostrations to him who dispenses justice as Yama, Lord of Death, and bestows the beatitude of salvation to beings. Prostrations to him who reigns over the green earth, rich with harvest, and is in the farmyards. Prostrations to him who is the mantras of the Vedas and the meditations of the Upanishads. Prostrations to him who is in the form of trees in forest and in creepers and plants, prostrations to him who is in sound and its echo. Nama Ashushenaya Sasurathaya cha Namah Shuraya Chababhindate cha Namo Varmine cha Barutine cha Namo Bilmine cha Kavachine cha Namah Srutaya cha Srutasenaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in armies moving fast and in chariots rattling forth, prostrations to him who is valiant and destroys enemies, prostrations to him who wields a shield and leads to the horse to success, prostrations to him who is helmeted and armored, prostrations to him who is renowned as ancient one and whose forces are reputed in all creation. Namo Dundubhyaya cha Nanyaya cha Namo Drishtave cha Pramrusaya cha Namo Dutaya cha Prahitaya cha Namo Nisangine te Sudhimate cha. Prostrations to him who is immanent in the sound of the drum and in the sound of the tabor, prostrations to him who is in those that never retreat in war and in the blessed recognites, prostrations to him who is in the spies and in military messengers, prostrations to him who is in the elders of souls and in the operators of quiver. Namastikhne savichayudhine cha namah swayudhaya cha shudhanvane cha namah stutyaya cha pathyaya cha namah katyaya cha nipyaya cha. Prostrations to him who uses sharp arrows and countless weapons. Prostrations to him who wields the auspicious missile that is trident and the blessed bow called pinaka. Prostrations to him who is in narrow lanes and in broad highways. Prostrations to him who is in dribbling streams and in mountain torrents of water. Namah Sudyaya cha Sharashyaya cha Namo Nadyaya cha Vaishantaya cha Namah Kupyaya cha Vatyaya cha Namo Varshyaya cha Varshyaya cha Namo Mekhyaya cha Vidyutaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in marshes and lakes. Prostrations to him who is in the rivers and reservoirs. Prostrations to him who is in the wells and pits. Prostrations to him who is in the rain and in oceans. Prostrations to him who is in the clouds and in lightning. Nama irinyaya cha tapyaya cha namo bhatyaya cha reshmiyaya cha namo vastavyaya cha vastupaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in the autumnal clouds and in the heating sun. Prostrations to him who is in the winds and in the stormy downpour of the deluge. Prostrations to him who is in the wealth of cattle and of land. Namah Somaya cha Rudraya cha Namastambraya cha Arunaya cha Namah Sangaya cha Pasupataye cha Namah Ugraya cha Bhimaya cha. Prostrations to him who has Uma as his consort and who causes to flee all sorrows of samsara. Prostrations to him who is crimson colored as the rising sun and is reddish as the sun risen above the horizon. Prostrations to him who brings about the peace and happiness of beings and protects all creatures. Prostrations to him who is terrible to foes and fearful to those who oppose him. Namo agre vadaya cha dure vadaya cha Namo hantre cha hani ase cha Namo vrikhebhyo harikesebhyo namastaraya. Prostrations to him who destroys enemies in front and who destroys them from behind. Prostrations to him who is the destroyer of things here and the destroyer of everything in the end. Prostrations to him who is in the form of trees filled with green leaves. Prostrations to him who is embodied in Om or Pranava. Namah Sambhave cha Mayo Bhave cha Namah Sankaraya cha Mayaskaraya cha Namah Sivaya cha Sivataraya cha. Prostrations to him who is the source of bliss, spiritual as well as temporal. Prostrations to him who dispenses all happiness, heavenly as well as earthly. Prostrations to him who is the auspicious one and is more auspicious than anything else. Namaste Thyaya cha Kulyaya cha Namah Parjaya cha Vajjaya cha Namah Prataranaya Chottaranaya cha Namah Atarjaya Chaladhyaya cha Namah Saspyaya cha Penyaya cha Namah Shikatyaya cha Pravahyaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in the holy waters of shrines and in emblems erected on their banks. Prostrations to him who is on this shore as the bestower of prosperity, and the other shore as the blessedness beyond mortality. Prostrations to him who is the means to cross over sin by ritual as well as by knowledge. Prostrations to him who is the cause of rebirths and the fact behind the experiences of the fruits of karma. Prostrations to him who is in the tender grass and the fleeting foam. Prostrations to him who is in the sands and the flowing waters of rivers. Nama irinyaya cha prapatyaya cha namah kigungsilaya cha kshayanaya cha namah kapattine cha pulastaye cha namo goshthyaya cha griyaya cha namastalpyaya cha geyaya cha namah katyaya cha gauharestaya cha namo hratyaya cha nivishpyaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in fertile lands and in broad highroads. Prostrations to him who is in the rocky ground and in the habitable places. Prostrations to him who has matted locks and who reveals himself to devotees. Prostrations to him who is in the crosets and in homes of people. Prostrations to him who is in the bedsteads and in palaces. Prostrations to him who is in thorny jungles and in the mountain caves. Prostrations to him who is in the whirlpools and in the dewdrops. Namah Pagum Sabhyaya cha Rajasyaya cha Namah Suskyaya cha Harityaya cha Namo Lopyaya Chulapyaya cha Namo Urbyaya cha Surmyaya cha. Prostrations to him who is in atoms and in dust. Prostrations to him who is in what is dry and what is green. Prostrations to him who is in rugged terrain and in green grass. Prostrations to him who is in earth and in the gallant waved rivers. Namah Pannaya cha Panna Sadyaya cha Namo Paguramanaya cha Vignate cha Nama Akhiddate cha Prakhiddate cha. Prostrations to him who is in fresh leaves and in heaps of dry leaves. Prostrations to him who is with uplifted weapons and who strikes the sinful. Prostrations to him who afflicts enemies mildly as well as severely. Namo Bhakirikebhyo Devanagum Hridayebhyo Namo Bhikkhinatkeebhyo Namo Bijinmatkebhyo Nama Anirhatebhyo Nama Amivatkebhyo. Prostrations to you, all who are the hearts of the gods, bestowing on devotees wealth, material as well as spiritual. Prostrations to you who are undecaying. Prostrations to you who grants the wishes of everyone. Prostrations to you who destroys evil from all sides. Prostrations to you who manifest yourself abundantly. Drape andhasasvate daridranīlalohita eshām purushanām eshām pasunām ma verma romo esāṃ kiñcanāmamat. O wielder of the rod of justice, O Lord of goods, O unattached independent one possessing nothing, O blue and red one in hue, may there not be fear in those people. These cattle of ours, may not any one of them stray away or perish. May not any one of them be diseased. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Viswaha Vesajim Shiva Rudrasya Vesaji Tayano Mrudadi Vasim. Rudra, that which is your auspicious form, auspicious as the universal panacea for all ills, auspicious as well as the bestower of knowledge and realization. You are Rudra form, with that make us live in happiness. Imagum Rudraya Tavasa Kapadine Chayad Viraya Pravaramahe Matim Yatha Nah Samasat Vipadat Chatuspade Vishvam Pushtam Grame Asmin Anatudam. We dedicate this mind of ours to Rudra, the powerful with matted hair, causing the waning and destruction of enemies, so that in this our locality, that is village, land or country, happiness may prevail on humankind and cattle, and all living beings may remain robust and free from troubles of any kind. Mrudano rudrotano mayaskruti Shayadviraya namasa vidhemate Yat sanjayo samanuraya depita Tadashyama tava rudra pranito. Rudra, render us happy both here with material prosperity and in the hereafter with spiritual blessedness. With our obeisance, we propitiate you, the destroyer of our enemies, internal and external. May we attain, Rudra, with your loving grace, all that happiness and freedom from sorrow which our father Manu acquired. Mano mahanta mutabano arbhakang mana ukhyanta mutabana ukshitam Mano badhi pitarang motamataram priyamanastanuvoh rudraririshah. Rudra, destroy not our aged ones or our young ones, our infants or our babes in the womb. Kill not our father or our mother or our dear bodies. Ma nastoke tanay man ayusi mano gosumano asve suririshah viran mano rudra bhamito vathir havishtanto namasa vidhemate. Rudra, do not in your anger bring trouble on our children, our sons, our lifespan, our cattle, our horses. Destroy not our brave, useful servants. We propitiate you with our prostrations, offering oblations to you. Arate gogna utapurushagne Kshayadviraya sum namasmate astum Rakshachano aditadeva vijadachana Sharmajachat divarhaha. God, let thy gentle form, meant for our good, which spells destruction on cattle and human beings in the enemy's fighting forces, be near us, protect us, exalt us among all things, and confer grace on us, thou the glory of here and hereafter. Stuhi srutam garta sadam yuvanam mruganna bhimam upahanti mugram mrodadaritre rudrastavano anyante asmannivapantut senaham. Praise the celebrated one, the dweller in the cave of the heart, ever young, new and fresh, terrible at the time of destruction of enemies and of the universe in the end, like a ferocious lion. O Rudra, make us, praying through this mortal frame, happy. Let thy forces, armies, wipe out what is different from us, our foes. This is a prayer for the success of oneself over one's enemies, external as well as internal. What is different from us is what is other than the true self or Atman. Parino rudrasya hetir brunaktum paritveshasya durmati ragayuhum avasthira magavadhyastanushva midvastokaya tanayaya mrudaya. May the destructive weapon of Rudra, as also his burning angry, will rise against sinners. Keep away from us, not harm us. O granter of boons to those who surrender themselves with offerings, turn away your wrath from us who are prostrate before you. Bestow happiness on our children and grandchildren. Midhustamasivatamassivo na sumana bhava parame vriksha ayudham nidhaya kritim vasana achara pinakam vibhradagahi. O Supreme Bestower of blessings on devotees, O Supremely Auspicious One, be propitious and graceful towards us. Leaving thy destructive weapons behind on the top of a high tree, descend and appear before us, wearing the tiger skin and yielding thy pinaka bow merely as thy insignia. Bikirida Bilohita Namaste Astu Bhagavah Yaste Sahasragunge Tayanyamasmin Nipapantutaham. O profuse granter of boons, O white-hued one, prostrations be to you, O Lord. May your countless weapons, all of them, destroy what is different from us. The above is a mantra to ward off anything that is contrary to self, disease, poverty, ignorance, enemies, and finally, the sense of separateness in pure being. Sahasrani sahasradhava huvastavayetaya tashamishano bhagava parachina mukhakradhi. Lord, in your hands are myriad weapons of diverse types. You are master over them all. Condescend to turn their faces away from us. Sahasrani sahasraso yerudra adhibhumyam teshagung sahasrayodaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those myriad forms of the countless manifestations of Rudra who range over this earth. Asmin mahatyannave antarikhe bhava adhim teshagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those forms of Rudra who are spread over this vast ocean of space. The part of the mantra given with brackets doesn't actually occur here in the original, it being recited only once after 9.5 verses beginning with the present one. We shall, however, insert the same with every half verse to make the sentence complete and the sense clear. Nilagriva sitikantha sharva adhakshamachadah teshagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those forms characterized by blue necks and also fair necks, the sarvas, the manifestations of Rudra who wander in the nether regions as the lords. Nilagriva sitikantha divagung Rudra upasritaha teshagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those forms characterized by blue necks and also fair necks, the Rudras who reign over the heavenly regions as their lords. Ye brukhesu saspinjara nilagriva bilohitaha teshagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the boughs of those palms who with yellow hues like tender grass and with blue necks who also sometimes with reddish color reside in trees as their lords. Ye bhutanam adhipatayo vishikha sah kapaddinah teshagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasi. We keep unflinched 1,000 leagues away the bows of those lords of ghostly spirits, some of whom are shaven-headed and some of whom have matted hair. Ye annesu vividhyanti patresu pivato janam te sagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasim. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those forms of Rudra who afflict people through food by way of imbalance of the humus, etc., and afflict those who drink in vessels by sips and excesses, etc. Ye patham patirakshaya ailabrada yavyudha te shagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasim. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those who are the protectors of the paths of the soul, both here and hereafter, who control the supply of foodstuffs to all beings, who fight with and drive away enemies who stand in our way. Ye tirthani pracharanti shrukavanto nishanginaham te shagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasim. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those who stalk about in holy places to protect them with sharp swords and fierce instruments in their hands. Ya idavantascha bhuyagung satcha diso rudravitaschirim te shagung sahasrayojaneva dhanmani tanmasim. We keep unstringed 1,000 leagues away the bows of those forms of Rudra and many more than already mentioned who exist filling the quarters. Namo rudrebhyo ye prithivyam ye antarikhe ye divi ye shamannam vato varsha visavattebhyo dasa prachir dasa dakshina dasa pratiti daso diti daso dva tebhyo namaste numrudayantu te yam dismo yastana dvesti tambojam vedadhamim. Prostrations to the Rudras in myriad forms who exist in earth, atmosphere and heaven, and whose arrows, weapons are food, wind and rain respectively. Prostrations to thee with folded hands, all the 10 fingers joined forward in submissions to the east, 10 fingers thus to the south, 10 fingers to the west, 10 fingers to the north, 10 fingers upwards, prostrations to them. May they render us happy, whomsoever we hate, and whoever hates us, him we, having thus resorted, consign, O Rudras, into your wide open mouths. Trambakam jajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanam mrityormukshiyamamritat. We worship the three-eyed one, fragrant with energy, increasing strength and prosperity of those who adore him. May we be freed from death for the sake of immortality, as a cucumber is freed from its hold of bondage to the creeper. Yo Rudra Agno jo Afsu jo Ausadhishu yo Rudra Visva Bhuvana Bhivisha Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu. That Rudra who is in fire, who is in water, who is in medical horse, that Rudra who has entered all the worlds, to that Rudra be prostration. Tamostu hi jahasvisu Shudhanvajo Vishwasya Ksheti Vesajasya Chakpa Maheshom Nasaya Rudram Namo Virdeva Masuram Duvasya. Resort to him who is armed with excellent arrows and a good bow, who is the source of all the remedies for the worldly ills. We worship that God Rudra, the destroyer of pains, with our salutations for attaining peace of mind. Ayam me hasto bhagavan, ayam me bhagavattarah, ayam me visvabhesajo yogum shiva vimarsanah. This hand of mine is blessed. This mine is twice blessed. This mine is the remedy for the ills of all the world. This which has touched Shiva in the shrine of worship. Yete sahasramayutam pasa mrityur martyaya antavim tan yakyasya mayaya sharvanav yajamahim. O destroyer, death of death, what thousands and tens of thousands of binding forces yielded by you there are, which are meant for the ruin of the mortal individual, those all we set aside with the power of sacrifice. Mrityave swaha, mrityave swaha. Om namo bhagavate rudraya vishnave, mrityurme pahi. May this offering be to the death supreme, death of death, or destroyer of all evil, sin and sorrow. May this offering be to the death supreme, Om, prostrations to the all-pervading, blessed Lord Rudra, save me from death, that is mortal existence. Prananam ganthirasi rudro ma vishantakah tenane pyayasvam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thou Rudra art the center of the vital forces. Enter not thereof therefore as the destroyer. With this sustaining element of thy grace, make us grow into abundance and fullness. Om, may there be peace, peace, peace. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahi Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat. We commune ourselves with that great Purusha and meditate on Mahadeva, the great God. May that Rudra direct us to the great goal. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om, may there be peace, peace,